In this session, we explore the escape from vengeance, drawn from Chapter 16, Section 7 of A Course in Miracles. Our objective is to understand how shifting from a mindset of retaliation to one of forgiveness transforms our relationships, our inner stability, and ultimately our experience of salvation. This slide contrasts two definitions of salvation. The ego seeks payback for the past, trapping us in conflict and psychological slavery. The Holy Spirit introduces the holy instant, where the past is gone and cannot threaten us. Salvation, then, is not revenge, but a present experience of gentleness, safety, and peace. Here we examine how the holy instant interrupts the timeline of pain. The ego drives vengeance by carrying past hurt into the future. In the holy instant, that chain is cut. Everything but truth falls away. The future, built on grievance, dissolves. We learn that healing is not gradual repair, but a radical uprooting of the past. This image shows why illusions cannot be brought to truth. We may try to drag our stories of time and injury into the holy instant to block awareness, yet the light of the Holy Spirit remains unaffected. Illusions can cloud our experience, but they cannot alter reality. The timeless remains exactly what it is, regardless of our fears. What truly needs forgiveness is not a brother's reality, which has no past and is held guiltless by God. What we forgive are the projected illusions we placed upon others, the false images of blame and limitation. As these are released, only the innocence that was always there remains in our awareness. Self-release follows a clear cycle. First, perception. We see our own illusions in a brother. Second, forgiveness. We withdraw those projections. Third, release. He is freed from our false perception. Fourth, reflection. We recognize that in freeing him, we ourselves are shown to be forgiven. Forgiveness is therefore a shared liberation. The final alliance is a choice. To ally with the ego is to accept its version of atonement, aimed at punishment and destruction, keeping us enslaved to illusions. To ally with God is to choose real atonement, whose goal is healing. In that choice, we are supported by divine power and limitless love, restoring our awareness of the kingdom. The extension of the miracle begins in the holy instant, where we hear God's message. From that center, we forgive all illusions, bless everyone, and allow His love to address every problem, regardless of size or complexity. When illusions are surrendered, nothing remains unresolved because reality itself answers every need. We conclude with the prayer of true relationship. We ask to have our illusions forgiven and to accept our real relationship with God, where no illusions can enter. In this light, we see that nothing in us truly needs forgiveness because His holiness is ours. Forgetfulness is only our reluctance to remember His constant love.